Matter, we're going to do a 4-box half case, or 4-box break of Leaf Metal Draft Baseball. Thank you guys for jumping in as always. Again, this is Leaf Metal Draft number 3 on the bay, and then Contenders Football will be up next. All right, for the Miami Marlins, J.J. Bleday, top picks, green. That one's 10 of 10. For the Minnesota Twins, Keone Cavaco, top picks. That one is numbered out of 50. Jimmy Lewis, blue. He is... Jimmy Lewis, where are you? Dodgers. 2 of 30. Hudson Head. He is... Padres. 15 of 20. Nico Horner for the Cubs. That one is 23 of 30. And Drew Waters. I believe he's Braves. Yep, Braves. 14 of 15. For the Giants, Joey Bart, 44 of 50. Ethan Small, he is... I don't see him. Where is he? Oh, Brewers. Ethan Small, Brewers. 10 of 10. This guy's Tigers, I believe. Nick Quintana, the Tigers. That is 30 of 30. Nasim Nunez for the Marlins. 10 of 15. Freitas Nova. He's Astros. That is 7 of 15. National Pride. Matthew Lugo. Matthew Lugo. He is Red Sox. That is 4 of 5 for the Red Sox. This guy's Mets. Josh Wolf for the Mets out of 50. For the Reds, Reese Hines. That is out of 15. For the Tigers, Tarek Skubal. It's out of 50. For the Pirates, Quinn Priester. That is 2/15. Andrew Dahlquist, blue, 10/30. He is. What team is he on? Dahlquist. Let's see. White Sox. White Sox for him. And for the Royals, Bobby Witt Jr., 22/50. All right, last one. For the Angels, Kieran Paris, 18/30. Isaiah Campbell, green. Not familiar with this guy either. Isaiah Campbell, where are you, man? Mariners, 9/10. Roberto Ramos, Rockies, 6/35. Cody Bolton. I don't know this guy either. Cody Bolton is Pirates, 17/20. 1/1 printing plate auto of Ryan Jensen. He is Cubs. That is the magenta one. And for the Nationals, Juan Soto. That is 14/20. All right. That is it for Leaf Metal. Up next will be Contenders Football.